Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location sharing on iPhone without them knowing. Before we start with the video, please like and subscribe to this channel because it helps me out a lot. So the first way is to open up your notification center and to turn on airplane mode. Once the airplane mode is turned on, all of your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data will be turned off and they won't be able to see your location. Other way is to go to settings, open up your settings, go to privacy and security, location services, and just turn it off. That's another way to turn it off without them knowing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.